Hello and welcome to my online prep. Hope you are doing well. The much awaited book of JAIIB has released now. I know you all are very curious about the changes that has been made in JAIIB syllabus and books. So now finally we have a books. We will discuss in this video about the changes that has been made in JAIIB syllabus topic wise. So let's start. And this is Indian economy and Indian financial system book, that is short name is IE and IFS, right? So this book has been released. You can see the first edition. First edition of Indian economy and Indian financial system. So let's see what are the topic that has been changed. Well, if you see module wise changes. Module A is the new module. A is the new module has been inserted in Indian economy and Indian financial system. These are the topic. These are new. I think these are the new. And overview of Indian economy. You have to read section of the Indian economy, economic planning and Indian and Niti Aayog. And you have to study about the role of priority sector and MSME in the Indian economy. And the fifth chapter is infrastructure, including social infrastructure, globalization impact on India, economic reforms. Economic reforms, if you remember, this is the one of the chapter of module A of advanced bank management. Advanced bank management, one of the chapter from module A. Foreign trade policy, foreign investment and economic development, International Economic Organization, World Bank, IMF, etc. Climate change, this is the new topic, I think. Sustainable Development Goal, SDGs, and issue facing Indian economy. If you remember, this is also one of the chapter of advanced bank management. So in module A of Indian economy and Indian financial system, these are the topic. Total 11 topics are there, in which, if you remember, two topics, one is economic reform and issue facing Indian economy is the chapter from advanced bank management. Let's see the what about the changes that has been made in module B. Look at the module B. The entire chapter of advanced bank management has been included in this topic. Look at the topic: fundamentals of economic and microeconomic and macroeconomic, types of economic, supply and demand, money supply and inflation, theories of interest, business cycle, monetary policy and fiscal policy, system of national account and GDP. If you remember, this particular chapter was there, and union budget. These are the chapter from advanced bank management from module B has been added in this particular book of JAIIB. Okay, next. Next is module C, Indian financial system. If you remember, Indian financial system, these are the topics from legal and regulatory aspect of banking of JAIIB in the previous syllabus till 2022. Indian banking structure are from that particular module, that particular module only, and banking laws, Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 and Banking Regulation Act. If you remember, you have to read this till 2022. This particular topic was in banking regulation, if you remember. Next, and in module C there are total, see, in module B there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 topics that you have to study in module B, that is totally from economics development, right? Now in module C, which is Indian financial architecture, there are how many topics are there? There are 3 topics are in this particular page: Indian financial system overview, Indian banking structure, banking law and Reserve Bank of India 1934, and Banking Regulation Act 1949. Next is development of financial institution. This is, I think, a new chapter. Microfinance institution, this is also a new chapter. You have to, this particular topic was there, but this has been separated from subtopic. This is the main topic of module C. Microfinance institution, non-banking financial company, that is NBFC, you have to read. Insurance company, Indian financial system, regulation and their role. This is also one of the topic of legal and regulatory aspect of banking. Reform and development in banking sector. This is the latest one, I guess, because that book was not carrying the latest data. I think this book is carrying and consisting all the new development till 2022. Now the module D, if you look at the module D is having the topic from module A of principle and practices of banking, financial product and services. You remember, here you have to study about the financial market, money market, capital market and stock exchange, fixed income, debt and bond market, foreign exchange market, interconnectedness of market and market dynamics. Remember, merchant banking, derivatives market, factoring and forfeiting and trade receivable discounting system, and venture capital, lease finance and hire purchase. And what else? What else? Lease financing, credit rating and credit scoring. This is one of the chapter of what? Retail banking. If you remember from CAIIB book, this is one of the chapter is credit rating and credit scoring. Mutual fund, insurance product, mutual fund, pension product. This particular topic has been newly added. And para banking and financial services provided by bank. And the last one is the new topic, which is real estate investment trust and infrastructure investment trust. This is the also one of the new topics that had been included in Indian economy and Indian financial system. So this is what we have about new changes in the new book of JAIIB, which is called Indian Economy and Indian Financial System. There are total 45 topics that you have to study in this particular paper. Let's see next paper. So as we have been studying this, the favorite one, principle and practices of banking, in short PPB. This particular book has already been changed many times, have been changing. There is a lot of changes have been made over the period of time. Now again this has been changed, and there is some alignment with the topics, I guess, from CIB and from the book of CIB and JAIIB. They have dated is first published in 2023. Let's see what have been changes that we can see in this particular paper. So in module A, general banking operation, if you remember in PPB, this heading was not there. Now what they have done, they have separated PPB book with the assets parts and liabilities part. So general banking operation, bankers customer relationship, this particular topic was from PPB in module B itself. AML KYC, operational aspect of KYC, if you remember, this was one of the topic from accounting and finance for bankers from module D. Here this accounting and finance for banker, AFB, module D. This particular topic has been inserted from module D. Now operation of opening account of various type of customer, if you remember, this was one of the topic from module B of PPB. Was same operational aspect of deposit account, operational aspect of handling cash and collection. Whatever topic which is now from the first word is operational or no, operational word, that was from AFB module D. Remember, bankers special relationship was from module B, foreign exchange remittance facilities for individual, operational aspect of NRI account. This was new topic that has been inserted in this particular module. Foreign currency account for resident and other aspect, this was also new topic. Cash management, this was the old topic. Payment and collection for checks and other negotiable instrument, this was also an old topic. And responsibility of paying bank and collecting bank, if you remember, this was from LRB module B. Ancillary services was there in previous book. Financial inclusion and financial literacy, last chapter, last topic of module B of PPB. Okay, customer service guideline, I think they have included a separate topic as a customer service guidelines. Duties and right of bankers and customer right. Okay, grievance and redressal and RBI integrated ombudsman scheme 2021. Okay, the Consumer Protection Act 2029, preamble, extent and definition. The Right to Information Act. Look at bankers customer relationship, AML KYC in module A. There are total 19 topics. No, it's a 21 topics. Oh MG. So the weightage is going to be higher for this particular module. Bankers customer relationship, AML KYC guideline, operational aspect of KYC, opening account of various type of customer, operational aspect of deposit account, operational aspect of handling, clearing, collection, cash, bankers special relationship, foreign exchange remittance facilities for individual, operational aspects of NRI business, foreign currency account for resident and other aspect, cash management services and its importance, payment and collection of checks and other negotiable instrument, responsibility of paying bank, responsibility of collecting bank, ancillary services, financial inclusion and financial literacy, customer service guideline, and duties and rights of bankers and customer service, grievance redressal and RBI integrated ombudsman scheme 2021, the Consumer Protection Act. These particular, a lot of topic from from the book of LRB has been inserted in module A of PPB. So there is, I think IIBF has taken a right decision to realign all the topic. There was a mismatch in the book of JAIIB and CAIIB. Some of the topic that was need to read by the newcomer of banker, that was included in CAIIB. For example, retail banking. This is the important chapter that need to be studied by newcomer. So they have, what they have done, they have just realigned all the topics and as per the standard format that is required for new joining a banker, or you can say the a person who wants to join bank. So they have to read these. So the Consumer Protection Act was one of the topic from LRB. The Right to Information Act, if you remember, the last topic of module D from LRB. Next, module B. See, the module B of function of bank, that was already there in previous book. Principle of lending different types of borrowers and types of credit, that this topic was there. Appraisal and assessment of credit facility, operational aspects of loan account. If you remember, this was the topic from module D of accounting and finance for bankers. Type of collateral and their characteristic. Okay. Next in module B, look at next in module B is the topic is different modes of charging securities, documentation. This was there, documentation was there. Non-performing assets and stress assets was also there in PPB in till 2022 books. And important law relating to recovery dues, these were newly inserted. Contracts of indemnity was one of the topic from LRB module B. Contract of guarantee and bank guarantee, letter of credit, deferred payment guarantee, law relating to bill finance. These are the topic from LRB module B. If you remember, can check it. Then priority sector advances, agriculture finance, one of the topic of module B of PPB, that was retained. Okay, finance to MFI and co-lending arrangement with NBFC. This is the new topic. Micro, small and medium enterprise in India, MSME. This topic was there. Government sponsored scheme was there. Self-help group was there in module B of PPB. So there are some topic that has been derived from legal and regulatory of banking paper. Okay, so let's see what changes that has been made in module C. See, module C, banking technology. Module C is banking technology. Okay, so I think there is no changes in essential of bank computerization, operational aspect of CBS environment. This particular topic has been derived from accounting and finance for bankers, module D. If you remember, alternate delivery channel, digital banking was already there in module C of banking technology. Data communication network and EFT system was already there. Digital payment system, MPCI was already there. Impact of technology adaptation and trend in banking technology, that was already there. Security consideration and mitigation measure in bank, that was already there. One of the chapter, new chapter that has been added, operational aspect of cyber crimes, fraud risk management in cyber technology, and then technology trend in banking, fintech, restech and subtech hashtag. These are the two topics that has been inserted, new topic inserted in module C of PPB. Let's see what changes that has been made in module D. So the favorite one, ethics in bank and financial institution, all 5 topics as it is in module D or from module E of PPB. Ethics, business and ethics banking and integrated risk perspective, ethics at the individual level, ethics dimensions, employee work ethics and the workplace, banking ethics and changing dynamics. These are the same topic that was in PPB. Some sigh of relief, Let's see what changes has been made. So my view is for PPB, there's a little changes. I think 30 or 40% changes has been made in this particular book, else all the earlier topic is remain in this book. So don't panic for that. You can easily crack JAIIB with this particular changes. Let's see now the most difficult, the villain for JAIIB exam, that is accounting and financial management for accounting and financial for bankers. Now the name has been changed as accounting and financial management for bankers. Earlier we used to call is AFB, accounting and finance for bankers. Now we have to say accounting financial management of bank. So one thing has been added, that is management. So earlier we called accounting and finance for bankers. Now we can say accounting financial management for bankers. Okay, so this particular, if you look here, the first version of book published 2023. Okay, so let's see what changes has been made in this book. See, in module A, definition and scope of accounting standard, including IND-AS accounting standard. That was the same topic in module B of accounting and finance for bankers. Basic accounting was there, basic accounting procedure was there, maintenance of cash, subsidiary books and ledger was there, bank reconciliation statement was there, trial balance reconciliation, rectification of errors and adjusting and closing entry was already there, depreciation and its accounting. This was one of the topic from module A of accounting and finance for bankers that has been included in module A of accounting and finance management for bankers. In new books, this particular topic is same from module A and the same is in module A of new book. Capital and revenue expenditure, one of the topic in from module C of accounting and finance for bankers, old book. Bills of exchange was there, operational aspect of accounting entries, these was one of the topic from old book AFB in module D. Okay, back office function has handling unreconciled entries in bank was also in module D of AFB in old book. Bank audit and inspection, this is one of the new topic that has been added in module A of accounting and finance for and management for bankers. Let's see what changes we have in module B. See, in module B, balance sheet equation was there in old book. Preparation of final accounts was there in old book. Companies account 1 and company accounts 2 was there in old book. Cash flow and funds flow, this was the new topic. This has been included. Final accounts of banking company, this was there in old book, so no changes. Core banking system and accounting in computerized environment, this was the topic. Now they have added core banking system in this topic. Okay, next, in module C of accounting paper, that is accounting and finance and management for bankers, look at module C, financial management. See, one of the topic, that is financial management overview. This is the new topic that has been added. Ratio analysis, if you remember, in old book ratio analysis was one of the topic from module C of AFB. Okay, financial mathematics, that is calculation of interest and annuities, one of the topic from module A of old book from accounting and finance for bankers. First chapter of accounting and finance for bankers, calculation of interest and annuities. Financial mathematics, calculation of YTM, second topic from old book. Financial mathematics, forex arithmetic was the same. Three main topics from module A of business mathematics is included in financial management. Okay, let's see now. In module C, there are changes, some changes. They have included capital structure and cost of capital. This is new topic. Capital investment decision and term loan, this is the new topic. Equipment leasing and lease financing, new topic. Working capital management, new topic. And derivatives, new topic. These are the new topic that have been included in module C of accounting and finance and management for bankers. Now they have changed what operational aspect of banking, that was the module D in accounting and finance for bankers. They have just realigned all the topic. Some of the topic which was required in PPB, as a banker you should understand, like handling of cash at desk, back office operation, front office operation, middle office operation. So that has been realigned with the required topic and required domain. So what they have done, this particular book, accounting and finance and management for banker, is all about calculation. So they have included all the topic where calculation is required as a banker. So what they have changed, taxation, income tax, deferred tax. Earlier only one topic was there, goods and services tax was in LRB in module C. So now they have changed taxation, income tax, TDS, deferred tax, goods and services tax, and overview of cost management accounting. Costing method, standard cost costing, marginal costing, budgets and budgetary control. These are the 6 topics you have to study in module D of accounting and finance for bankers. Okay, let's see. This is one of the new topic. Retail banking and wealth management has been added in your JAIIB syllabus. So this is a first volume. Look at here. First published in 2023, retail banking and wealth management. So if you look at the topic, if you already going through the CAIIB syllabus, and if you go through the retail banking syllabus, so what they have done, they have included most of the topic from retail banking paper. So what you have to study in this particular paper, Let's see. Retail banking and wealth management. So if you remember, if you have a book, Retail Banking of CIB, one of the elective papers of CIB, if you look at the topic in module A, you'll find retail banking introduction, same as it is, retail banking role within the bank operation, same topic, applicability of retail banking concept and distinction between retail and corporate wholesale banking, same. One of the new topic has been added, branch profitability. This topic is not there in retail banking. So let's see what changes has been done in module B. So these are the topics. Customer requirement was there, product development process was there, credit scoring was there in retail banking syllabus of one of the paper of elective paper of CIB. Same topic, important retail liabilities product was there, important retail assets product. I think this particular topic has been added. Credit and debit card was there, remittance product was there, digitalization of retail banking product. These were also added in this particular module. Role of AI and technology in retail banking. This particular thing has been added in from retail banking. Technology in retail banking was already there in previous book. Recovery of retail loan was there. Now management information system. This topic was not there. I think this topic was from the book of AFB or PPB. One of the topic was there, I remember. Now securitization was there in retail banking, so it is as it is. No changes has been made. Okay, now let's see what changes has been done in module D. What you have to study in module D. Two topics, marketing and introduction was already there in module C of retail banking. Delivery channel in retail banking was already there, so no major changes. They have just keep all the topics from retail banking in retail banking and wealth management paper. So look at the next topic in module C, delivery models. If you remember, was there customer relationship management in retail banking was there, service standard for retail banking was there, marketing information system, a longitudinal analysis. I think this one of the topic from module D of PPB, right? Now module D, wealth management. This is the new module, and in under this module you have to study four topics, that is importance of wealth management, investment management, tax planning, other financial services provided by bank. These are the four topics that you have to study in module D of retail banking and wealth management. Now if you see the retail banking book, you'll find there is some extra reading materials on home loans. So if the question especially in retail banking exam in CIB, they just ask some of the case studies from home loan topics or PL, like these are the topic where question are made in terms of case studies. So what you have to do in this topic, if you look at this topic, this is a very important topic. You have to study because the question will be asked from these particular topics. they have included some more additional material, but it is not a module E. They have just included as a extra material. So they have I am very much sure they have a updated version of all the things, that is lenders appraisal procedure, housing finance and tax planning, mortgage advice, and valuation of retail property. So these are the topic that you have to read. I think these are the topic approximately covers 80 pages of this book. So these are the topics that has been added in the new syllabus of JAIIB. Exam will be conducted from May 2023 onwards, from these topics only. So what you need to do now, you just gear up and fasten your seat belt for this preparation. Now the earlier what we used to study just before 2 months or 3 months, but after adding all these topics and changes has been made, you need extra time. You need extra time to prepare well. See, they have just excluded the negative marking. It's a win-win situation for you all. That has to be, we all have appealed for these changes, and thanks to IIBF that they have just now listened to us and problem of students and bankers, that they are not very much capable of appearing exam with negative marking. So now what you have to study with a range of 3 or 4 months. Okay, so in this in the next video, I'll give you comparative analysis of each chapter from chapter 1 to chapter 4 of JAIIB. Thank you very much.